How to fix unable to locate game files in Minecraft Bedrock edition. So in today's video I'm going to be telling you about how you can fix the error which says unable to locate game files in Minecraft Bedrock edition. So in order to do that you have to open Xbox, and once you open Xbox you have to click on these three dots. Once you click on this, it would ask for these options. You have to click on manage. Once you click on manage, this interface would be opened and you have to click on files. Once you click on files, then you have to click on browse, and from here you have to double click on Minecraft for Windows and then double click on content. Once you do this, in this folder you have to find for minecraft.windows.exe and you have to run this application. Once you do this, Minecraft should run without any problems. So yes, this is how you can fix your unable to locate game files in Minecraft Bedrock edition error. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and thanks for watching.